also, do you know, when a woman's having a baby, is more likely she's gonna poo when she's having a baby. I think I joke. Tell us that true, no? That's the most women fear. When they're having kids, they poo. Because women poo sometimes because of the pressure on their back end, they do let out some poo. Luckily, that's never happened to me both pregnancy, but that could have happened, right? So it's about me shit pie, you know. You could have called it Kimara Bullshitty. No, that quote was true.
You know,
Kimara Boo, this quote, the quote of Kimara, eh? We have to be people in business for life. Look girl, wait up, boy. Me don't know that. When you hear what you say, look what you're trying to mix up it and people in business for my life. But you know, go little girl, avoid me. That quote you have for Kimara. Stop hitting me.
Stop, Mom.
I got me company of face. Hey, girl, you know me company of face. I'm like, you love me. Hey, got me. She's licking me now. Get her. Yeah, she licked me. Yeah. Look near me a ball for choo. Near look.
Yes, I did.
Look. Me, near look, lick her ball near.
Yes, I did.
Kick her up, near. Kick her up. Wait.
Yes.
No, I'm just trying, you know. Stop. Remember laughing. Tears are coming to my eye. Wait a stop. Don't slap me no more, hurt. So, you know I get whale and all that. Don't do it. I'm not playing. I'm going to box in your face and make you go to school and wheel. Sure. What? Go get it. I know, right, Judy? Throw it, Kimara. Throw it properly. Throw it like throw from where you are. You idiot. Well, you can put it in the paper cloth now. Everywhere you go, you take a paper cloth and clean. Come like your mother love clean. Yeah, the car's moving. Move. Wait, Kimara, the car's moving. Make it move. Wait. Pay attention first. Wait. Come out the way, Kimara. Wait, the car's moving. Let the man move the car first. Then we know where we're going. My boy, sister. I said, me never come out. I come out, you see? Drop off Antoine and something. And get out and out here do and hold it for something. When I go, little girl, I'm not playing with you no more. Give me the cloth. Can't everybody give? And the man that doesn't give me the cloth. Give me back. Come, go get my cloth in the car and give it. Get my cloth in the car and give it. You know something like some mankind? Some mankind I like, you know. And the man give me cloth here, come at the girls, no one boom some of them blood clot here. Me slap him, you know. Slap him. I'll go on my nice clean friend cast. Let me see them to go my clock. A judgment out here in the anti-puss vice. Judgment! A judgment! Oh, see it here. In here. That's my clock. Ow! Come on, I'm hand that when I'm good enough. Wait, this car's passing, Tonio. Wait. Look, that man's gonna go. Tonio, that man's gonna go. Stop. No, the look man just give me the cloth and our next big head one come. I'll take the cloth from him. I want to be slapping with the ball now. Go on, clean my car, yeah, my baby. Clean the car. Clean my car. Don't worry yourself. Clean the car, yeah, my baby. You wouldn't do that, so leave him alone. He might clean. Very good boy. You, me boom something in your head. Me boom something the car. Clean the car, baby. Clean. Good boy. No, Innocent not ready for clean. I'm out Uber in there. In the dirty. Put this up there for tomorrow. And this on the chair. No, no, why? One of your socks is tomorrow. Well, rubbish. It is, because I'm not looking for the next foot. Yeah, how much socks have you got? You got so much socks in. Go on, yeah, lady. Alright, young lady then. You chat too much. You chat like you're out there on spring and you're chicken back. Batty, if you ever I'm a punch in your face, I swear to God, on your life and your life and everything I'm believing in the world. Hey, come and tell me something more. I said me just get 2 new free tire. Thank you. Come tell me the story, Kim, I'm gonna get 2 new free tire. You have to know if you live for it. Nia, give me a clot. Kim, catch it again. Lord God. You got none of this one. Kim, come tell him I find it. Kim, come tell him. Come tell him I'm gonna get 2 free tire.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get 2 free tire. I say so. It's always good, I believe, because I'm a female, I don't know everything about cars. I'm a class where you just wet up. Give me my class where you just wet up. Who you are with? Stop provoking, Kimara. Move a mess. Don't touch me, let me go. Stop provoking, I'm going on. Stop touching me, say you boy. Wait there, come here. When you see that diamond, I don't go. Stop touching my class. She a fight him, man come to me, I tell him not touch me. Boxes him like she. They wet up my clock, I don't want my clock to wet. My clock will use them in my car. You can't do that. I wonder if we can kidnap one clock. No, one clock is some one clock. Oh no. Wait, no, boy, I'm gonna kidnap one clock, no? Sure. Wait, no, man, I want to come like him, no, cheese. Oh, God. You don't belong to my family and your father's family. You're jacket. I say if you're jacket one more time, me I'll tell you nanny, you're jacket. Me a suit, me a jacket suit, yeah. Alright, anyway, me talk about my car, eh? You what? The cloth? So no one cloth is in your hand. So this is a cloth. How was that? When you call us something a cloth. So what do you mean you want cloth? But now I laugh, no, tomorrow. Put me in your pocket, no, tomorrow. Tomorrow, so fuck, hey. I'm not gonna knock her out, though. You know, so I'm not gonna knock her out. I swear to God. I'm gonna knock you out, I swear to God. Come out there, we need to knock you out. You see the salmon and mashed potatoes, that's what I'm going to cook today, you're not getting none. Come out now. You're not getting none. No, the salmon nice and don't have no bone in there at all. I do salmon and mashed potato. And you know me feel I'm going to do grilled vegetables. Get the grilled vegetables. You're not getting none, do and guess what you know what I'm going to do with the grilled salmon, you know the peri-peri sauce from Nando's. I'm going to like season it up, put like something for like 5 minutes in the sauce, take it out quickly, put it on the fire paper and put the sauce on it and grill it with the sauce and the peri-peri sauce. And when I yam that later, yes! Hey girl, if you ever me thumping in your blood clot, we tell you about your mother. your mother. Tell her, give up here. Pump on her face. Thump her in her face, Neo. Now stop thump her up. Thump her up. Neo, thump her up. Hey, rush her, Neo. Rush her. Rush her, Neo. Neo, kick her up. Kick her up, Neo. Hey, girl. Come, my son. Come. Them girl are punk. Them girl are punk, my son. Oh, look at them girl. Come, my son. A punk. Come away, son, my son. A punk. Them girl are punk. Don't mind them girl, me, yeah? Them girl are punk, man. Don't mind them girl, yeah? A punk, man. Them girl are punk. Put on the one, yeah? No, this is my